Morning chaps, hope we're all good in the hood. Not long back from my morning routine, which was some ice bathing, some sauna and a little bit of cardio and a full body workout, which felt incredible. I'm on a fasted state and I had a little bit of a thought this morning. I was on the back of a call with one of my clients and I done the big walk, done the cardio, speaking to my client, unpacking some stuff this morning, and the main message behind this video, right, is that there's two current realities in which you can live. Right now, you might not be living the reality in which you want. And on a certain timeline, a certain frequency, there is a version of yourself that you truly want to be. But the biggest thing stopping you from stepping into that realm in reality is your current beliefs, your habits, your actions and behaviors. Your thoughts are not aligning correctly with the outcomes in which you desire, and you put way too much importance on the now and your emotional state, which keeps you and pulls you, we should say, further away from being who you now need to be. Think about it for this kind of angle for a second here. Let's say you wake up tired, fatigued, low in energy every single day. Your morning routine is all over the place. It's a bit of a shambles. You say you're going to train, but you wake up late, stressed out, you get pissed off at yourself, you end up missing training, you end up having a bad meal, you end up desiring things because you've had such a shit start to the day, so you order a Domino's or a Kentucky Fried Chicken or some hyper palatable bullshit meal, and then the day continues and you start becoming apathetic, let's say. You start getting disconnected from not only who you are now, but who you want to be, and the gap between the gain gets further and further away. And then before you know it, you're full of guilt and shame, and it gets to the end of the night, you've binge ate, you've went to bed late, and you essentially set yourself up for the same day to happen again tomorrow. But there's also another reality in which you could live in, and this camera's going to die, so hopefully I can finish this. But there's another reality in which you live in, which is the ideal reality, where you're set, you're prepped, you're ready. You wake up every single day with amazing energy. You're aligned and clear on the mission and the goal, but you removed enough importance from it that you can identify yourself in the process of becoming rather than being, and you fall in love with the process of doing things for you. You don't work to live, nor do you live to work. You just live to be. I think there's a massive difference between all of those. And when you can just be the person you've always wanted to be and ask yourself for the permission to finally show up and do what you said you were always wanting to do, then you can remove the pressure, the stress, and operate from flow. You can enlighten yourself and find that peace, that love, that joy in your own heart and your head through just being the person you've always needed for yourself, that alternate reality, that other person that you've always needed in your life, which is you right now, except with a slightly different perspective, because right now there's a mirror image of you, and he could be a bad guy, he could be a good guy, but whatever guy he is, you get to choose. That's the main thing, that's the big word here, choice. Are you willing to choose the outcome in which you truly want by behaving like the person you need to be? Or are you going to continue living the life you're currently living, cutting corners, coasting, falling face first into more stress and pressure every single day, and chasing your tail, waiting for one day for it all to change? The answer is no, you're not that person. You can change today, you can change right now, you can change at the drop of a hat. Every breath you take, you can start again. So never put so much pressure on yourself to become someone or be someone that you already are. Just remove the mask from who you're currently being and dissolve the fear of failure, dissolve the stress, dissolve that low fulfillment in which you're currently experiencing in your very own life, and be at peace now, be here when it's now. Do exactly what you know you now need to do today to be the person you would be admired by and inspired by, and then be him now. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Much love. Let's fucking go. Happy Sunday. I'm glad I could share this message with you today. Catch.